Okay, so today I have this bug bite thing. Basically, it's supposed to suck the poison out of the bite. So I tried it earlier on the spot, but it was too quick to notice. Anyway, there are two settings: the big hole and the small hole. All you gotta do is pop it in like this. Okay, and then you cover the bites. Suction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, the blood has come out. We'll see. We'll check back in a while to see if it has, the swelling has gone down. If you notice, it's all around here. It's pretty bad. So this is a follow-up to the bug bite thing. This was where the bite was. And it took a lot of days to heal, about 4 or 5 days to heal. I think the thing about the bug bite thing is to catch it early, because I left this bite for 1 day and it already spread. So bug bite thing works, but you gotta get to the bite early. Goodbye.